Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing, as you probably could already tell. Anytime I have a good hair day, my day is blessed. Enough rambling, let's jump into what I have installed today. Today's hair sponsor is BGMgirl Hair. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 4x6 HD lace, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-everything glueless wig. This is in the straight texture, density 180%. I'm gonna go in with some powder. The part looks very good, but I feel like we can do better. So. I'm gonna get some wax stick. Let's do something with this portion. We're going to make sure that it's on straight first of all. This melt spray. First of all, why was my wig so far down? Sorry for scaring you guys if you thought I was gonna leave it there. My bad y'all. That's like a rookie mistake. I used to do that when I was a little bit newer. I'd install my wig and it would be like so unnatural because it'd be so far down. Let's hit it with the hot comb. Hit it with the hot comb. I hit it with some hairspray. I'm liking how that's looking so far. Now we're gonna just do a quick run through with the flat iron. How we looking? We looking like a baddie. This wig is gorgeous. We could do a little bit better for the part because the part, I did try to clean it up earlier, but I didn't really notice much of a change. You going? You leaving? Okay. You staying with mom? Okay, good boy. She is long. Did I lay her or did I lay her? Wow, you guys, this wig is chef's kiss. It fits like a glove. It's one of the better fitting glueless straight wigs that I've received, and it doesn't have the ear tab cutout thing, but sitting right above my earlobe, so it's not like going over. It doesn't need to go over. Like where it naturally ends is this like right there. You see, if I put the wig over, it's hardly even touching. It feels so silky. It is really high quality hair. Like look at the quality of this wig. This hairline is beautiful. I did not bleach the knots or do anything. I did apply some lace tint to it because a lot of times with HD, when you're not wearing it in a glued down state, it looks a little bit lighter. But if you secure this type of glueless wig with glue or hairspray, it's going to blend in. But when you wear it just 100% glueless with no product on, the lace tends to look a little bit lighter. The density 180%, I would say, is pretty accurate. It's giving enough density where you can feel like it's a natural style, and so I'm not mad at it. I like it. I like to have a wig where the density is looking like this. It doesn't feel thin. This looks like this is my hair. Like tell me it doesn't look like it's my hair. I can't really tell if there's any gray strands or anything like that throughout. This is looking like a very beautiful natural black, and I want to show you guys the ends. I haven't done that in a while, showing you guys the ends of the wig. This is what the ends are looking like. Look how bouncy that is. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. This is a beautiful wig. I have nothing bad to say about it. It is gorgeous. I would highly recommend you guys checking them out. If you want to purchase this wig in particular that I have on, this wig right here, I'm going to link it in the description box for you guys. If there's a coupon code, it's going to be there as well. I love it. I think you'll love it too. So I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Before you go, don't forget to leave a comment on your thoughts and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.